Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the carpal tunnel. Here you can see a picture of carpal tunnel. Carpal tunnel is a osteofibrous space which is formed by fibrous sheath which is called as flexor retinaculum and bones. That means carpal bones are involved in formation of this carpal tunnel. You can see this carpal tunnel is a tunnel-like structure which is formed by fibrous sheath and carpal bones. What is this fibrous sheath? It is called as flexor retinaculum. Here it is called as flexor retinaculum. This flexor retinaculum is attached to four carpal bones as you can see in this picture. Those four attachments are medially it attached to the pisiform bone. Medially and proximally it attached to pisiform bone. Medially and distally it attached to hook of the hamate. Laterally it attached to tubercle of the scaphoid. Laterally and proximally it attached to tubercle of the scaphoid. Laterally and distally it attached to tubercle of the trapezium. What are the four bones involved in attachment of the flexor retinaculum? Pisiform, hamate, scaphoid and trapezium. Then you have to know about the structures that are going through this carpal tunnel. This is the carpal tunnel. This is the bones, carpal bones, and this is the flexor retinaculum. You can see this median nerve. Median nerve is the content of carpal tunnel. Also, there are long flexor tendons. Flexor digitorum superficialis tendons. Here, flexor digitorum superficialis tendons, flexor digitorum profundus tendons, and flexor pollicis longus tendon. Here, this is the flexor pollicis longus tendon. Here also, you can see flexor carpi radialis tendon. You can see it is in a separate compartment between two slips of the flexor retinaculum. These are the two slips of the flexor retinaculum and it forms a separate compartment to accommodate this flexor carpi radialis tendon. Those long flexor tendons are also covered by their own synovial sheaths. You can see in blue color lines their own synovial sheaths and their those tendons. But you have to remember that this palmaris longus tendon is not a content of carpal tunnel. Also, ulnar nerve, ulnar artery is not a content of this carpal tunnel. They lie outside the carpal tunnel. You have to know what is the clinical correlation of the carpal tunnel. There is median nerve inside this carpal tunnel. This carpal tunnel is a restricted space. It can be compressed when this space is narrowed. This median nerve can be compressed when this space become narrowed. As an example, in diabetes mellitus or any inflammation of the carpal bones or any arthritic changes or old fracture of carpal bones, then those carpal tunnel can be narrowed down. Then this median nerve can be compressed inside this carpal tunnel. Therefore, those patients may present with paresthesia, numbness, motor weakness of the hand. Paresthesia over the hand, numbness, motor weakness. But you have to remember there is no sensory impairment in the palm. There is no sensory impairment in the palm because palmar cutaneous branch is given before it entering into the carpal tunnel. So that's all about the carpal tunnel and its clinical correlation. Thank you for watching.